In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage hyphenation in Microsoft Word documents. This can be particularly useful when you're looking to enhance the appearance of your text by improving readability and maximizing space. So, whether you're preparing a report, a brochure, or a simple document, managing your hyphenation can give your work a polished look. First, we need to dive into the Layout tab. However, depending on your version of Word, this might also be referred to as the Page Layout tab. This is your go-to section for managing the overall structure of your document, from margins to orientation, and of course, hyphenation. Now, direct your attention to the Page Setup group within this tab. You'll notice a button labeled Hyphenation. This button is your gateway to controlling how and where Word inserts hyphens in your document. Hyphenation can help you avoid unjustified gaps by splitting words at the right place at the end of lines. Click on this Hyphenation button to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. The first option you will see is None. By selecting this, you essentially turn off hyphenation entirely. This means that Word won't attempt to hyphenate any words, giving your document a clean look without any word splits. This might be preferable if you're working on a document where maintaining complete words on each line is critical, or when you want to avoid hyphens altogether. The next choice is Automatic. As the name suggests, when you select this option, Word takes the initiative to hyphenate words automatically as it deems necessary. This can be particularly handy if you're in a hurry or don't want to deal with the fuss of manually approving each hyphen. Word will efficiently manage hyphenations to ensure that your text flows smoothly from line to line. For those who prefer having more control over their document, the manual option is your ally. Choosing this allows Word to identify potential hyphenation points and suggest them to you. You then have the choice to accept or reject these suggestions, giving you a nuanced control over how your document handles word breaks. This option can be especially beneficial if you're dealing with complex terminology or names where incorrect hyphenation could alter meaning or readability. Once you've made your initial choice from the drop-down, you might want to explore more nuanced settings by selecting Hyphenation Options. Clicking on this opens a dialog box. Here, you can refine your approach further by checking the option Automatically Hyphenate Document. This feature essentially turns on automatic hyphenation across the entire document without needing to manually approve each instance. It's a great solution for longer documents where consistent text flow is essential. With these settings, you're ready to adjust hyphenation according to your document's needs. Perfecting the layout of your text can elevate the quality of your work, so don't hesitate to explore these options. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.